2018 GMC Yukon XL review. Expansive cargo space and classic V8 power result in the Yukon XL, an excellent, mission-specific SUV. The 2018 GMC Yukon XL's 9 passenger capacity and strong towing power help it become ideal for big families and activities. But the Yukon's imposing mass and traditional SUV design require a toll on maneuverability, fuel economy and ride comfort. You expect as often in an SUV of the size. The utility is undeniable. Even with the 3 row seats deployed, they have 39.3 cubic feet of cargo space available. Fold on the second and third rows, and you have a whopping 121 cubic feet of maximum cargo space to use. If towing is the thing, the Yukon XL can lug nearly 8,300 pounds. All of them makes the Yukon XL a reasonably mission-specific vehicle. Sure, for the big SUV, we think it is easy to drive, while you are going straight. But navigating tight parking lots and city streets requires caution, calculation plus some amount of faith inside the space around the auto. There's also no escaping the Yukon XL's roots. The truck-based suspension can't give the car-like ride comfort of a crossover. Nor will be the Yukon a graphic of efficiency through an EPA-rated 18 miles per gallon combined for just a base 4-wheel drive version. Finally, the cost premium that come with GMC vehicles is a touch hard to justify considering that the related Suburban has a lot of the same features for no more. That said, the Yukon XL's size, power and magnificence will undoubtedly hit the mark to get a very specific buyer. What's new? The 2018 GMC Yukon XL receives only minor changes. The Denali version features a new 10-speed automatic transmission that ought to slightly improve fuel economy and acceleration. Other changes such as a new chrome grille design and also a new Denali Ultimate package with 22-inch wheels, a sunroof along with a large helping of tech add-ons. Even although base SLE model can transport 9 passengers, it's limited within the features and options it gives you. Between the standard and optional features, the mid-level SLT strikes a fantastic balance of comfort, convenience and safety without going all in with the Denali trim. Trim levels and features. The 2018 GMC Yukon XL is often a full-size SUV offered in SLE, SLT and Denali trim levels. The smaller Yukon is included in a separate review. The SLE base trim starts off with a 5.3-litre V8 engine, 355 horsepower, 383 pound-feet of torque paired to some 6-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard, 4-wheel drive is optional. Standard SLE features include 18-inch alloy wheels, fog lights, side steps, roof rails, front and back parking sensors, automatic wipers as well as a trailer hitch receiver which has a wiring harness. Standard interior features include an automatic climate control, power adjustable front seats, and 6,040 split folding second and third row seats. Also included is usually a 110-volt power outlet, an 8-inch touchscreen interface, a rear-view camera, Bluetooth, OnStar communications that has a 4G LTE connection and Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a 9-speaker Bose stereo audio with CD player, satellite and HD radio plus a USB input. GM's teen driver monitoring system, which limits certain vehicle settings for young drivers, also comes standard. The optional enhanced driver alert package adds forward collision alert with automatic low-speed emergency braking, a VIB safety alert driver seat, automatic high beams, and lane departure warning and intervention. The convenience package adds a power-operated liftgate, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, power-adjustable pedals as well as a universal garage door opener. The SLE offers an optional front bench seat that increases ability to 9 passengers. The SLT trim includes the many features in the list above and adds a hands-free liftgate, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, keyless entry and ignition, leather upholstery, a heated and power-adjustable tire, heated and ventilated front seats, heated second row seats, power-folding second and third row seats, and driver seat memory functions. The top-of-the-line Denali trim adds a powerful 6.2-litre V8 engine, 420 horsepower, 460 lb-ft of torque, a 10-speed automatic transmission, 20-inch wheels, xenon headlights, adaptive suspension dampers, a trailer brake controller, a head-up instrument display, active noise cancellation, second-row bucket seats, a navigation system, a radio smartphone charging pad and also a 10-speaker surround sound head unit. The new for 2018 Denali Ultimate Package bundles 22-inch wheels, a sunroof, power side steps, adaptive cruise control, a rear seat entertainment system with DVD player, with an extended satellite radio and traffic information subscription, among other things. Many from the Denali's features are available as alternatives on SLT trims, while selections for SLE and SLT trims include 22-inch wheels and also a heavy-duty trailering package, unique axle ratio, trailer brake controller along with a self-leveling suspension. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S with this review provide our full test with the 2015 GMC Yukon XL Denali 6.2 litres V8, 6-speed automatic, 4WD. Note, since this test was conducted, the latest Yukon XL has brought some revisions, including a new 10-speed automatic transmission for 2018 Denali trims. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the year's Yukon XL. Litre V8 is powerful. There's ample oomph to relocate the Yukon rapidly. The Denali's adaptive suspension manages the solid axle suspension well. Acceleration. The 6.2-litre V8 sounds good and allows the Yukon heading to 60 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds. There's ample yank for passing at freeway speeds, too. Our test example had the prior 6-speed transmission. The 2011 10-speed should slightly improve acceleration. Braking. Stopping from 60 miles per hour required 134 feet, which can be average, in any other case long, to the class. In regular use, the brakes feel just okay, which has a relatively soft, long travel pedal. Many competitors will work better. Steering. Steering weight is adequate or else a bit light. Steering feel is minimal, but fact is decent. Keep the Yukon on open roads and steering is predictable and straightforward. Handling. The Denali, which consists of adaptive suspension, might be more controlled when available turns compared to a standard Yukon XL or Chevy Suburban. The Yukon's size are there, but it really manages practically considering those drawbacks. Drivability. Though its reactions are slow because of the standard of smaller SUVs, the Yukon exhibits decent road manners. Comfort. The Yukon Denali is really a luxury SUV, and yes, it treats its occupants accordingly. It is both quiet and cozy. The solid axle rear suspension limits ride comfort. Entertainment features are abundant. Seat comfort. The front seats tend to be heated and ventilated and provides ample adjustability and good support. The second row seats are definitely more than adequate for giant passengers. Even your third row will accommodate adults. This is often a big SUV. Space is its strength. Ride comfort. Body motions are well controlled inside the Yukon Denali, though there is no denying the existence of big heavy wheels along with a solid rear axle. Most drivers are going to be satisfied. Noise and vibration. Admirably quiet inside. Active noise cancellation works effectively inside Yukon to deaden interior noise. Wind and road noise levels are insignificant. This isn't leaks as quiet, however it's close. Interior. Materials and build quality are usually high. There are many comfort and entertainment features. Navigation is standard on Denali. Second and third row entertainment displays can be obtained. Ease people. A power tilt and telescoping steering column is standard, much like power adjustable pedals. The audio and climate control buttons and knobs are generously sized. Getting in, jetting out. It's tall, though the big door openings, running boards and grab handles ultimately make Yukon a fairly easy vehicle to go into and beyond. The powerful down tumble second row produces excellent entry to the third row. Roominess. Abundant front and back leg and headroom. Depending on seat position, the driver's elbow could make contact with the bigger center armrest when steering. Otherwise, both second and third rows are stored on par or ahead with the competition. Visibility. Good view out on the front and sides. The windshield pillars are thin. A rear view camera, front and back parking sensors, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert come standard around the Denali trim. Quality. Except for Cadillac, any GMC in Denali trim would be the best built vehicle to return from GM in recent memory. Perforated stitched leather seats can be a nice touch. We witnessed no quality problems. Utility. This is the place the Yukon XL truly shines. With massive cargo space, available 9-passenger seating along with a maximum 8,300-pound towing limit, the Yukon XL is nothing or else a master of utility. Technology. A standard 8-inch touch screen, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and also a solid Bose audio system have the Yukon XL as connected as is possible. Optional rear seat entertainment and also a full suite of driver assistance features profit the Yukon XL keep pace, which consists of tech-minded rivals.